NVS Coral Edition presentation. Network Visualization System Coral Edition is a specialized client-server application built on the universal NVS platform and specifically designed for monitoring corporate telephony network based on the Coral family PBXs. NVS CE key functionalities are polling PBXs and collecting their configuration over 3 types of connections. Creating a virtual network model based on the collected PBXs configurations and manual inputs. Receiving alarms from PBXs and interrogating their status in real time. Analyzing alarms and system status in order to determine alarm severity and to create detailed reports with recommendation on troubleshooting. Providing different alarm presentations and personnel notification options. Automatically getting and saving detailed trace log of PBX functioning. Synchronizing PBX's system time throughout the network. Creation of network model and its visual presentation contains the following steps. Automatic construction of logical and visual PBX model, configuring connection between network elements, automatic construction of visual network diagram, and map view network presentation. Automatic construction of logical and visual model of PBX can be started using built-in tool. This tool is a wizard which allows user to set PBX type, define some properties, define additional configuration options, and to set up administrative connection to PBX. During the final wizard step, the NVS CE connects to PBX and queries its configuration. As the result, detailed PBX structure is built. Automatically constructed PBX structure consists of a detailed logical and visual models, which contains cabinets, shelves, slots, and ports. One of the most important steps in corporate network model creation is configuring connection between network elements. This step can be achieved by using Connection Configuration Wizard. The first wizard step allows user to choose the device which needs to be connected to recently created PBX. If the device has not been created yet, the user can create temporary generic device, which will be connected to PBX. This device can be detailed later. In the next step, the user select port types which needs to be connected. In the final step, system suggests to choose from appropriate ports and creates connection between them. Logical network schema can be presented as a visual diagram. To create this view, the user has to select detailization level, and the system will automatically place all the network elements and connections of this level on a new graphical diagram. NVS CE provides user with built-in graphical editor, which helps to modify diagram. User may change elements' positions, change positions of their labels, change size of elements, change element image. modify connection lines, and change their format. The map view of the network schema presents all network elements according to their geographical coordinates. Navigation with map view component allows the user to observe network schema with geographical location reference. Monitoring of corporation network status is a key feature of NVS Coral Edition. While monitoring, user must have the ability to quick identify network faults, promptly finding its cause, and perform tracking of troubleshooting process. Notification system must deliver specific information about current network status to all engaged services. In monitoring mode, the user observes current network element state and states of connection between them. Quick switching between general network diagram level and detail level allows to immediately identify elements which cause the fault. Visual and audio notification allows user to track in real time changes in all network elements. Configurable monitoring events panel allows studying and analyzing of the reported events. All incoming messages are presented in deciphered plain language format and can be supplemented by additional information on reported events and recommended corrective action from customer configurable knowledge base. Configurable visual and audio operating notifications of network element state changes can be accompanied by SMS or email notification of appropriate remote personnel. NVS-CE provides an optional tool for trouble ticket management. This tool tracks problem status and stores within a corresponding trouble ticket all pertinent information, including events logs, network diagram images, comments, and so on. Modular client-server system architecture allows for flexibility and upgradability of NVS-CE features. User can pick and choose among optional NVS-CE modules to buy only ones that are currently necessary, and easily upgrade the application later. Optional additional equipment libraries can extend the scope of supported monitored devices. Optional inventory module allows to organize property records and manage systematic maintenance of equipment. Unified external interface allows integration with third-party software.